Welcome to our quick and easy tutorial on removing your Cash App card from Apple Pay. If you have decided it's time to declutter your digital wallet, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open your wallet app. Start by launching the wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your cards are stored. Select your Cash App card. Scroll through the list of cards and tap on the Cash App card you wish to remove. Access card details. In the upper right corner, look for the three dots icon. Tap on it to reveal more options. Remove the card. Scroll down until you see the red text that says remove card. Tapping this will prompt a warning that removing the card will also erase your transaction history. Confirm removal. If you're sure about this, tap on remove again to finalize the process, and just like that, your Cash App card is removed from Apple Pay. Important note, remember, once you remove the card, all associated transaction history will be lost. If you need to keep track of these transactions, consider jotting them down before proceeding. And there you have it. You have successfully removed your Cash App and card from Apple Pay in just few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, drop a comment below. We'll happy to help. See you in the next video.